Hello, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, and this is Yoga for Complete Beginners, focusing on neck and shoulder stretches. All body weight, no weights or machines. Let's feel and look great right now. Jumping right into it. Seated cross-legged position, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Keep it nice and loose. Shaking the arms, shoulders are loose, relaxing the face, shoulders going back and down. Let's start with some shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower back and down, getting some movement and blood flow right away into the shoulder and neck area and releasing tension. Very important, keeping that posture nice and tall. All right. Lift those shoulders up, squeeze them tight, and then exhale, release. This is a great little trick to do to release tension. Inhale. Tighten everything up as much as you can, and then let it go. See those shoulders drop down an extra inch. I saw that. Inhale up, tighten, smile if you wish. Exhale down. Okay, face is soft, neck is soft. That's what I'm implying here by hitting my face like that. But it's very important. Don't add any undue tension. Take your hand to the outside of the head, other shoulders sinking down, and let's stretch out that neck. Feel that creeping into the jaw, down the neck, into the traps as the other hand sets down on the mat. You want separation, the ears and the shoulders moving away from each other, always very important. And expansion, always very important, expansion in our stretches. All right, and other side, always balancing out the sides. Lengthen, so you're lifting the crown of the head up and then doing a bend in the neck. So you're not kinking anything, not like kinking a hose. You're always extending. Good. Face is soft. I am just smiling because this one always feels fantastic. Getting some length and some release into the neck. All right, bring the arm across, other hand touching the shoulder. You can drop the head away from that shoulder. I like to move the arm up and down. Mobility, the ability to move freely throughout your range of motion throughout the day. That's what we want. All right, other side. Draw the arm across, stretching that shoulder, lifting the arm up and down. Drop the head to the side, but remember, keep the length in the neck. Lots of breath, breathing in the nose and out the nose. If you need to, you can switch the legs as well. Sit in whatever position you wish. You can also do this whole series right here standing. All right, shake it out. Coach Vigue loves a good shake and a hidden flex right there. Fingertips to the back of the head. Elbows out. And let's press back into the hands. This is a great neck strengthener. A lot of times those muscles in the back of the neck become very weak, causing us to slump forward. So press back. I actually do this when I'm in the shower with the warm water. It is just marvelous. No shower here. Pressing back. And then let's go forward. Tuck the chin and your fingers on the back of the head. Get some length again. There's that word length, but that's what we want. Lengthening the back of the head and neck, of course. And it travels down into your shoulders and your upper back. You'll feel this all the way down your spine and your paraspinal muscles along the spine. All right, turning. Shake it out. I love a good shake out. Keep it loose. Keep the breath flowing. Okay. Now, coming on to the knees, sitting on the heels or sitting in a cross-legged position. Lace the fingers together behind you. This is a yoga mudra pose, dropping the shoulders down, keeping your jaw relaxed. You can move the neck a little side to side as you wish, and work on evening out the shoulders. Our shoulders ride up and forward, causing tension, causing the breath to be cut off. So we open. Now bring the hands over to your right side and drop the head to your left, keeping the length, there's that word again, in the neck. Sliding the hands forward, opening the chest. Who says we can't address the shoulders and neck at the same time? Voila. All right, hands to the other side. Drop the head to the right. Separation between the ear and the shoulder. It's a great visual. You're doing it, but keep your mind focused on what you're doing, always visualizing. I find that it adds a lot more effectiveness to it. Big mudra, drop the head back, opening the chest. If this is your first time really doing this stretch, you might feel some adjustments in your chest, in the bones, in your breastbones in there. You might, as you really open up, as your body is intended to reside. All right, keep that breath going. Take the legs in front. Another little shake out there. Oh, I'm shaking. Shoulders back and down. Now, coming to the knees. Hands are on the shoulders. Pressing back, slide that right hand forward. And we're going to thread the needle, of course, using your body weight to stretch the left shoulder. Extend the right arm forward to address the shoulder and all the way down the back, down the side. The eyes are looking at that left hand. Knees are wider than the hips. Did I smile through this whole routine? I must have. Definitely a testament to how much I love these stretches. Good little shimmy in the shoulders and head side to side. You're in a Pat Benatar music video. You didn't know that, did you? All right, left arm forward. And now with the exhale, we prep. We prep for success. We exhale, slide that right arm through. There we are. Getting a little bit of a rotation, rotating the lower back. Of course, we're addressing the shoulders and the neck, but we like to work as much as the body as possible. That's what we do in my classes, in my videos, to bring the entire body online into the flows. Keep snaking that right arm further through at your own discretion, breathing in the nose and out the nose. And bring those hands back up. Again, side to side. Shimmy if you like. Little kicks with the legs. Work out the cobwebs. Work out the rust. Sitting on the heels, shoulders back and down. Now, a little reverse hug, I call this. We cross the arms in the back. Just another beautiful opportunity to drop the shoulders back, open the chest, relax the neck, moving within that stretch. Okay. There is a neck and shoulders shirt tuck right there. So back to thread the needle, or look at this. This is called a knot stretch. K-N-O-T. The right arm goes across, left arm across. It's right around your chest region. And this is going to explode the upper back and the rear, the posterior deltoids. And we're relaxing the neck down. Move the head side to side if you want. I think I'm chewing on my bicep here. That, of course, is optional. Just don't tell anybody you did that. Lots of breath. Bring it up. And again, there's that reverse hug. Anytime you want, my friend, anytime you pause this video, you hold a pose longer if it is really connecting with you. And I know it's going to happen. So feel free to make this routine as long as you wish. It's yours. It's yours. Do with it what you will. All right, switch the arms in the knot or thread the needle again on the side. Relaxing down. Breathing into the ribs, breathing outward, breathing into your low back, filling those compartments with the breath. Your knees are a little wider than hip width. I'm doing a little rocking forward and back. Little movements within the stretch add so much added flexibility. Of course, there's the chewing on the bicep on the other arm. Please ignore that. I get excited. All right, that's how it manifests itself. A little leg kick out there. Sitting back, shoulders back and down. Any chance you get throughout the day, drop those shoulders back and down. All right, here we have a child's pose. Take the knees a little closer together. It's actually as close together as you wish. Arms in front. Relax. Relax with your exhales. That is a beautiful opportunity to release and to stretch on those exhales. Okay, pressing up. Just take it easy. Take it easy. Downward facing dog. Take the feet wide. You can hold it here or go back to child's pose or bend the knees. So we're bending the knees. It puts all the emphasis into the upper body. And of course, the stretch, you'll feel it creeping all the way down your back, into your shoulders, of course, into your neck, into your triceps. Sink the heels down. This is a little more advanced, of course, so work up to it. But if you are consistent and you practice consistently, you will start doing all of these poses. The world will be your oyster as far as yoga and flexibility training go. Bring it down, shake it out again. Just see that word in your head all day long, shake it out. Cross the legs, hands back behind you. However you want to position the hands. We're going to open the chest or bring the forearms down. This is a pose that for me, at once, it relaxes me and energizes me. It's a perfect combination. It focuses you, whether you want to relax or you want to go out and just destroy your day. Either way, you have it right here. Chest is open, shoulders back and down. Drop the head if you wish, getting some nice hip flexibility, and then coming back up. Seated cross-legged position, crisscross applesauce. Take your arm up, place it on the shoulder or your back, and then the other hand comes onto your elbow and then pull it up and over. Whatever side you want to start with, that's fine. You can mirror me or do the other way. Just make sure you do both sides. Balance it out. Lifting up and over. Keep your glutes down. And the arm behind you gives you a nice stretch on the back of the neck. Here we are. Head rolling side to side, and then we switch to the other side with this side bend. I've said side way too many times. Breathe into it, in the nose, out the nose. Fill and empty the lungs, always, always improving your breath. All right, arms coming down. Head goes side to side. Brilliant work, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue. Thanks so much for training with me. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oh, the places you'll flow. There is yoga to be done. Check this out.
And to show my appreciation for your support, I want to give you a free 30-minute yoga video from my exclusive membership app. All you got to do is click the first link in the pinned comments below, and the video is all yours. I suggest doing that right now.